Anytime.
What's going on, guys? So it's about 7:30 right now. There's a Cars and Coffee meet going on in about 8:30, so we're about to head out. Everybody slept over last night.
You know something crazy is going on with Evan's driving me? Yeah, no shit.
Spent all yesterday detailing the G8. So the meet's at M1 Concourse again. It's the first one of the year, so it should be pretty big. We're waiting on Nathan and Jason to wake up, and then we're gonna head out. Let's watch Jason's car real quick for him. So let's head out. That's two LS swap RX-7s. This one's clean as hell, though. Detailing the G8.
I shut myself.
So what is that? 918.
Al, you know what this one's called? This kid's getting out of his car. I don't know what the heck he's doing. Hey!
No texting and driving.
Bye, have a good time!